Hello student, this is your lesson 2 computer class. Today we continue chapter 2, that is MS Access. Now today we discuss how to create a database in MS Access. Okay. Now here see, we take a database that is PRS underscore student. Now you can give any other name also. And after that there is given .accdb. Now this .accdb is automatically given. This is known as the extension of MS Access file. This is known as the extension of MS Access file. Means every application having a file extension. That means, say if we take a Word file, it having an extension .doc. Okay, so like this, MS Access also having a file extension that is .accdb. ACC for access, DB for database. Okay, .accdb. Okay, now under this database we create two tables, table 1 and table 2. Okay, and we gave the table 1 name as std underscore personal underscore details. I write here in short std, that means student underscore personal underscore detail. That means this table contain the personal information of a student. Okay, now what are the personal information? That means the name of the student address, obviously the roll number, student phone number, like this. You can add another field also. Okay, I am taking only 4 field here. Okay, now we have to mention the data type. Now what is the data type? Data type means what kind of data is stored under this field. That is called the data type. Okay, so std underscore name, obviously it is stored some alphabets. Okay, so it is the data type is the text. Okay, then std underscore address, also text. Okay, then roll number. Now see, for a particular class, say class 7 or class 8, okay, for a particular class, every student having a different roll number. Okay, every student having a different roll number. That means a roll number field is a unique field for a particular class. Okay, unique field for a particular class. So that's why we set this field as a primary key. Now what is the primary key? Primary key means it is a field by which we can search the other details. Okay, means using this field, as because it is a unique field for every student, we can use this field, that is std underscore roll number, this field by using this field we can search the other details from the database. That's why we mentioned here that it is a primary key. Okay, and another one is the std phone number. Okay, now you can give std phone number as a number or as a phone number. Okay, I will show you in the video. Okay, and our second table is std underscore mark underscore det, means details. That means it will store the marks details of each and every student. Okay, so what are the fields? Say here in table 1 we give a field that is std underscore roll number. Okay, and this field is a primary key. Okay, so in the second table we also put the same field that is std underscore roll number, the same primary key field in the second table also. Okay, and if in table 1 the std underscore roll number's data type is auto number, in table 2 its data type must be auto number. Okay, you can't give any other data type. Okay, And next one is English marks. Obviously this is a number, computer marks, math marks, and then total marks. You can add more fields also. Okay, now see how we can create this type of database in MS Access. Okay.